Hello guys, welcome to Even Better Meals. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. I'm doing right now, I'm not gonna put the full recipe. I'm just gonna go step by step what I do for my stuffing. All this brown that you see here on my pan is that I just steamed some chicken. So the left of the little juice of the chicken and butter, I am going to melt this butter on it because I'm gonna be showing you the little process that I do for my stuffing. Okay guys, once your butter is all melted, we're gonna incorporate our celery, and then we're gonna cook for like, I would say three minutes. So this celery, I grated it in my food processor, and we're gonna cook it for a little bit more, and then we're gonna be adding our carrots. All this is gonna go to our stuffing. It's gonna be really good, guys. I do it every year. If you guys want the recipe for next year, I can go ahead and upload it in another time. I know I should have done it before, but we've been so busy. Okay guys, now we're gonna add our carrots, and we did the same process. We grated our carrots in the food processor, and now we're going to go ahead and mix it all together with our celery. Okay guys, we're checking up on our carrots and celery. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of chicken flavor, and we mix it. We're gonna also add a tablespoon of garlic. So we're gonna mix everything together so we can incorporate all the flavors. This is smelling so good, and it's gonna be super delicious. Okay guys, now that our carrots and celery are done, we're gonna add our chicken, and we did the same thing in our food processor because we need to have it in small pieces. And we're gonna mix this all together. So we're gonna add a little bit of water, or you can also add chicken broth. In this case, I don't have any, I didn't had any left, but I'm putting a little bit of water. But with the chicken flavor that we put, it's gonna taste just exactly if you were putting chicken broth. And we're gonna mix it all together. Okay guys, now that this is all cooked and everything incorporated together, so we can have all this goodie, all this flavor, we're gonna start by putting our cornbread. So what I did, I baked some cornbread. I also made it into crumbs into my food processor, and we're gonna be mixing it with our vegetables. Okay, I'll be showing you the final how it came out. Okay guys, after cooking our stuffing, I buttered this pan and we poured it in. So we're gonna start by pressing. We're gonna press all this, and then we're gonna bake it. So now we're pressing our cornbread and stuffing everything together. We're just gonna press it. Okay guys, we already finished pressing all the stuffing with the cornbread, and now we're gonna put it in the oven. I preheated the oven at 425 degrees, and we're gonna leave it about 10 to 15 minutes. We just want to brown up the part of our stuffing. So this is how our stuffing came out, very crispy from the top. We're gonna get a little piece and show you guys how it looks. And this is how our stuffing came out, guys. It's super delicious, highly recommended. If you guys liked it, please give us a like or any comments in our video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so, and follow us in our media. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Thank you guys for watching our video, and have a great day.